Oh, in Jamaica's sun-kissed land, where the sea meets the sand, a brother and sister so dear, in happiness they stand. Their laughter and joy ring, as they danced in the sun's bright light, with the waves and the breeze, their bond a happy sight. Their hearts are full of glee, as they played in the sea, with the sun on their skin, and the waves at their feet. Their bond so strong and true, a bond that only siblings know, in a sunny Jamaican land, they are the best of friends. So let us raise a glass, to the brother and sister so dear, in this happy poem we'll find, their love and joy so clear.